Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 6 in developmental literacy. As children learn to read, there are 3 different aspects on which instructors focus. 1, decoding, figuring out the words. 2, comprehension, understanding what is being read. And 3, fluency, reading at an appropriate pace with expression. These 3 areas combine to form the building blocks of an effective reader. This week, we will look more closely at the quality guided reading lesson. We will also begin thinking about how our behaviors as teachers can assist students in their use of reading strategies. Many of us can remember when reading groups were the bluebirds, the redbirds, the red robins, the sparrows. Well, everyone wanted to be a red robin because those were the good readers, the smart kids. Reading group usually consisted of round robin reading, which we all read the same book and we waited our turn to read when the teacher called on us. Many of us would figure out what paragraph we were going to have to read, so we would practice it in our heads while the other students were orally reading. Well, reading groups have really changed, thank goodness. This week, you will continue your learning about guided reading instruction in the classroom. You will learn some additional research behind this important instructional strategy and how to implement it in your classroom. You will learn how to choose books for readers, effectively plan for group instruction, and monitor student learning. In a guided reading group, the teacher starts each child to begin reading. We're not doing round robin reading. We're not doing popcorn reading. All the children are reading the same text, but they are at different places in the text because the teacher has staggered started their reading. When you first start this, it seems chaotic, but it isn't. This gives the teacher the opportunity to lean in and really listen to each individual child read. So make sure that you give yourself some time to get used to that. As we are working through the course content each week, hopefully you have begun to develop your vision of what you would like your own classroom to look like. We'll hold those thoughts. During our final week, you will be asked to explain your personal beliefs about literacy development. So this week, your focus is you're going to be able to identify teaching points from a guided reading lesson. And usually there's only 1 or 2 teaching points. You're going to be reading chapters 15, 16, and 19, which talk about effective decision making within the guided reading group, and you're going to be viewing guided reading videos. If you have any questions, please ask. Oh, yes, and please remember that we are on a scheduled break beginning May 30th, ending June 4th. Thank you.